Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This is Money Close with Mercy. And so guys, as you can look on my chart right here, this is a very brand new indicator that many traders don't know. This is not RSI, this is called accumulation distribution indicator. I know most of you have never heard about it. It is actually very new to many traders, and I know guys, you can ask yourself, how does it work? As the name suggests guys, accumulation is whereby the market really consolidates like at this level right here, and distribution is when we have a very clean movement like this one right here. Okay, so this indicator you can see right here, it is rarely found on Tradingview, but basically Tradingview is actually trying to create something like this. So when you go on indicators tab and type something we call accumulation and distribution, that is basically going to help you execute your trades. Okay, so guys, I know most of you can actually say this indicator does not work, of which I'm not really against it, but you have to know how to use this indicator accordingly. Okay, and so guys, what you're supposed to do, and or rather what you're supposed to keep in mind, is that this indicator is not used all the times. There is specific levels that you can consider using this indicator. And basing on live market right here guys, you can see the market is actually on our key level. Okay, and I would draw my key level right here. So guys, you can see what I'm trying to say. This is our key level, and you can see there is a lot of manipulation taking place, whereby guys, we have this rejection of our prices actually also moving to this level right here. So when you identify any key level, that's when you're supposed to consider using this indicator, right? So guys, what this indicator does, it shows you the nature of what is created. Basing on our naked eyes right here, we cannot see any chart formation. For sure, personally I cannot see, but according to this accumulation and distribution indicator, it is showing us this is the formation of the head, there is formation of a shoulder, the head of shoulder, and this candlestick pattern right here is trying to break the neckline right here. So what does that tell you? Are you supposed to be looking for your selling opportunity? Are you supposed to be looking for your buying opportunity? You understand? This is basically what this indicator tries to show you, and that's why I tell many traders, kindly stop using this indicator when it comes to any other things. Use it on key levels. So guys, simply because it has shown us this is actually a head and shoulder, I just want to follow its direction to execute my trades. And so guys, I'm not going to use any other confirmation. I want to use what the indicator has shown us, and definitely guys, here we're going to be looking for a selling opportunity. Just want to see how it is going to actually play out guys, and I hope you're also ready for this, because we are looking at this indicator as we actually see how it is working real time, or rather is it showing us the right thing. Okay, stick here till the end so that we can see whether this sell will be valid or not. It is a formation of a head and shoulder. I can't wait to see what is basically going to happen next. Maybe there will be a retest, maybe there will be no a retest guys, but we're going to actually follow what it has shown us. Okay, and so guys, let's see what is going to happen right now. But what the indicator is showing us right here guys, you can basically say it actually came to the shoulder. Okay, and there was manipulation according to it, and then it is proceeding to the downside. So we are looking at this. If price happens to break above this head right here, this head and shoulder will be very invalid, but in this case it actually respected our right shoulder right here. And so guys, the market is definitely trying to push to the downside. So guys, we are actually here to try and see what is going to happen. So guys, as we explain, you know, forex trading is all about learning and coming up with things that are going to help you execute your trade. Sellers are now in control. We're gonna see what is going to happen. The indicator is basically telling you now, here is another level created. This is the level again that you're going to pay attention to, because I told you, when you see any point of interest, that is where you're going to watch the market from. And so guys, I'm going to highlight it so that we can see what the market is trying to show us. Or the market, I'm going to draw the high and the lows. We're going to watch closely this level right here. It is showing the creation of a double bottom. This is a W, and you can see price is definitely retesting. You understand? And so guys, that is what you're supposed to note, because on our naked eyes we can see nothing, literally nothing when it comes to this level right here. Always and always watch keenly when it comes to this kind of levels, okay? And so guys, the market is actually retesting. That is what I can understand, because it is reacting to this level again. So you're supposed to watch keenly what was formed right here. Going back to the indicator again, going back to the indicator again, guys, you can see there was a formation of a very minor head and shoulder again. You can see the formation. I'm sorry guys, I have to do this in a clearer manner. You can see its formation right here, the head and shoulder. And yes, how is the market going? Gonna see. An M formation right here. You can see this was manipulation taking place. Okay, so when you see the level, you have to see again what is being formed. You have another formation of head and shoulder, guys, and you can see there is an M formation right here, which you could not see what is a double top, and the market is indeed proceeding to the downside. So this gives you an assurance as well. The market is selling, rather proceeding to the downside. Okay, we are again over on our key level right here. Don't forget it. Want to see what the market forming right there. I retest to the level again. This is our key level right there, guys. So I'm trying to show you guys, you can only use this indicator when it comes to key levels. It will guide you. Like here you can see there was a V formation on the indicator right here. So you're supposed to be looking for your buying opportunity. V formation, look for your buying opportunity. Look this closely on your key levels. Identify all of them. It is basically going to help you execute your trades. Okay, you really need this mastering the chart formation, and you'll be able to execute your trades confidently and anytime you want to. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as we see how the market is going to behave right now. It is on live market, guys. You can see it is indeed heading to our key level right here. So always and always use this indicator in this kind of cases. Using it the other way around, it is going to give you headache. Okay, so guys, don't forget to like this video as well, share your fellow traders, and I know it is going to help you. So guys, what do I say? Bye bye. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye guys.